जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्ययोगमु 15th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I am telling you about how Mahatmas will be engaged in me. There are some Mahatmas, they not only sing my glory, but also beyond any specific name and form. They see me in every entity in this universe because they know that I am being one, but with my sankalpam, I am with every form in this creation. They have that knowledge, that is why they always interested in seeing me in every form. This kind of upasana, this kind of meditation is known as Jnana Yajnam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to practice to see Paramatma's presence in every form in this world. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Jnana yajnena cha api अन्ये यजन्तो माम् उपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्। ओम। As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sannyasa Ashramam is 4 types: Kutichaka, Bahudaka, Hamsa, Paramahamsa. Kutichaka will be observing sannyasa dharmas as it is, and Bahudaka, his all attention and focus will be on jnanam, not karma. Hamsa, he will also be paying all of his attention upon jnanabhyasam. And then Paramahamsa, they will understand the reality, they will understand the truth, and they will keep performing all of their activities as service to Paramatma, and they will dedicate all of their actions to Paramatma. Like this ashramam comes out from Chaturmukha Brahma. And then Chaturmukha Brahma brought out 4 types of Vidya. They are Anvikshaki, Trayi, Varta, Dandaniti. What is Atma, what is Anatma, what is not Atma. This kind of discrimination is known as Anvikshaki. This Anvikshaki Vidya helps us to get moksham. And there is Trayi. That Vidya belongs to 3 Vedas. Trayi means Rigvedam, Yajurvedam, Samavedam. These Vedas helps people to do yajnas and get heavenly pleasures. The 3 Vedas reveals some activities so that people can perform that and gain Svarga and other phalas, other fruits. Then 3rd Vidya is Varta. This helps us to understand earning bread and butter by doing activities like business, agriculture and all those things. And 4th one is Dandaniti. This explains us to gain knowledge about moral values. Like this, all these 4 Vidyas were brought out by Chaturmukha Brahma. And then from 4 faces of Chaturmukha Brahma, evam Vyahrutayascha asan pranavo hi asya dakhrataha. 4 Vyahrutis comes. Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha. Chaturmukha Brahma brings out these 4 Vyahrutis from his 4 faces. And Chaturmukha Brahma brings out Pranavam, that is Om, the divine syllable, from his heart. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma's creation is explained to Vidura by Maitreya in the process of teaching Srimad Bhagavatam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna సంరక్షమాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th chapter 15th శ్లోక. జ్ఞానయజ్ఞేన చ అప్యన్యే యజంతో మాం ఉపాసతే ఏకత్వేన పృథక్త్వేన బహుధా విశ్వతో ముఖం. జ్ఞానయజ్ఞేన చాప్యన్యే యజంతో మాం ఉపాసతే ఏకత్వేన పృథక్త్వేన బహుధా విశ్వతో ముఖం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.